Welcome to my channel. Why is my Brother MFC-J5330DW printer printing blank pages? 1. Check ink levels, make sure your printer has enough ink. Low or empty cartridges can cause blank prints. 2. Reinstall ink cartridges, open the printer cover and remove the cartridges. Reinstall them properly to ensure they are seated correctly. 3. Remove protective tape. If cartridges are new, check if any plastic tape is still attached. This blocks ink flow. 4. Run printhead cleaning. Go to printer settings and run the cleaning option. This clears clogged nozzles. 5. Check print quality settings. Make sure you're not using draft mode or ink save mode, which may print very light or blank pages. 6. Print a test page. Print a test page from the printer menu to check if the issue is hardware or software related. 7. Use correct paper type. Ensure you're using compatible paper and it's loaded properly, not too thick or glossy unless supported. 8. Update printer drivers. Outdated drivers can cause printing issues. Update drivers from the official Brother Industries website. 9. Check for clogged printhead. If cleaning doesn't work, the printhead may be clogged. Run deep cleaning or clean manually, carefully. 10. Reset the printer. Turn off the printer, unplug it for 5 minutes, then restart. This can fix temporary glitches. Thanks for watching.